Welcome back to Question with Answer. Are you looking to crack your next Django interview? In this video, we cover the top 10 most asked Django interview questions and answers for 2025. Whether you're a fresher or experienced developer, these questions will boost your confidence and prepare you for real-world interviews. Let's dive right in. Question 1. What is Django and why is it used? Answer. Django is a high-level Python web framework that allows rapid development of secure and maintainable websites. It follows the Model View Template or MVT architectural pattern and emphasizes reusability, less code, and the principle of don't repeat yourself or dry. Django comes with built-in features like ORM, admin panel, authentication system, and form handling, which significantly reduce development time. It is widely used for building scalable and secure web applications like e-commerce sites, social networks, and APIs. Question 2. What is the difference between Flask and Django? Answer. Flask is a lightweight micro-framework, while Django is a full-stack web framework. Flask gives more control to developers but requires manual setup for components like authentication and database integration. Django, on the other hand, comes with batteries included features like ORM, admin panel, and user authentication. Django is best for large-scale applications, while Flask is better for smaller or highly customized projects. Django follows a more structured and opinionated approach, making it ideal for rapid development. Question 3. Explain the Django request-response cycle. Answer. When a user sends a request to a Django application, it first goes through the URL dispatcher, which matches the URL to a view function. The view then processes the request, interacts with the database using models if needed, and returns an HTTP response object, often rendering an HTML template. Middleware components may process the request and response at various stages. This entire flow, from request to response, is known as the Django request-response cycle. Question 4. What is a model in Django? Answer. A model in Django is a Python class that defines the structure of your database tables. Each model class corresponds to a single table and includes fields that represent columns. Django's ORM maps these Python classes to database tables, allowing developers to interact with the database using Python code instead of raw SQL. Models also include metadata and methods that define behaviors such as ordering or data constraints. Question 5. What is a query set in Django? Answer. A query set is a collection of database queries that Django uses to fetch data from the database. It allows filtering, ordering, and chaining of database operations in a Pythonic way. Query sets are lazy, meaning the query isn't actually run until the data is needed. You can use methods like .filter, .exclude, .get, and .all to perform database operations. This abstraction makes database interaction simple and secure. Question 6. What are Django migrations? Answer. Migrations in Django are a way of propagating changes made to models, like adding a field or deleting a table, into the database schema. Django tracks these changes through migration files that can be applied using the make migrations and migrate commands. This system ensures your database schema stays in sync with your application models, making it easy to manage version control and deployment. Question 7. What is the purpose of Django's admin interface? Answer. The Django admin interface is a powerful built-in tool that provides a web-based interface for managing application data. With minimal setup, it allows CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations on your models. It's highly customizable, supports permissions, and can be extended with custom admin classes. It saves a lot of time during development and is ideal for non-developers to manage backend content. Question 8. How does Django handle static files and media files? Answer. Django distinguishes between static files, CSS, JS, images for the site, and media files, user-uploaded content. Static files are managed using the static_URL and staticfiles_DARS settings, while media files use media_URL and media_root. During development, Django.contribution static files help serve these files. In production, these files are typically served via a web server like Nginx or a CDN for performance. Question 9. What is middleware in Django? Answer. Middleware in Django is a framework of hooks that process requests and responses globally before reaching the view or returning to the browser. Common use cases include security, like CSRF protection, session management, user authentication, and request logging. Middleware components are defined in the middleware list in settings.py, and each must be a callable that takes a request and returns a response. Question 10. How can you optimize Django application performance? Answer. Performance in Django can be improved using several techniques. 1. Use query set optimization, like select_related, prefetch_related, to reduce DB hits. 2. Cache views, templates, or data using Django's caching framework, like Memcached, Redis. 3. Use database indexing for frequently queried fields. 4. Optimize templates and avoid heavy processing in views. 5. Use async views, Django 3.1+, for IO-bound tasks. Proper profiling and performance testing tools like Django Debug Toolbar also help in identifying bottlenecks. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.